It's for the way you look at me. Oh, it's for the only one I see. V is very, very extraordinary. It's even more than anyone that I adore. Love was made for me and you. Hey, love was made for me and you. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. It's good to have you here. So by the title and of course by these very beautiful red velvet cupcakes, you know what we'll be doing today. We're gonna be doing some red velvet cupcakes, of course, and it's Valentine's Day inspired. You know, if you want to do something for your husband, you know, your friend, your mom, your dad, whoever it is, then these cupcakes are for you. If you just want to see how I get these cupcakes done, then keep on watching. So let's get this show on the road. The breeze strong, man, child.
Love is in your soul. Your price is higher than gold.
So guys, before we start, I have already measured out everything that I'm going to be using. So this is the egg white, this is the granulated sugar, in here I have my baking soda, my salt, cocoa powder and baking flour, and in here I have my milk. It's supposed to be buttermilk, but what I did was added some lime juice into it and let it set so it can turn into a thicker consistency of buttermilk. This is how it's looking like buttermilk. So yeah, then it says to add 1.8 teaspoon of vinegar, but I don't have vinegar, nor do I trust using vinegar, but that's what people normally use when it comes on to red velvet cake. But I decided to substitute with lime juice again, and then I have my oil, and then I have my vanilla and my food coloring, the red one. Please excuse the bottle, you know, I've been using it for some time and it's bound to look like this. So yeah, I've measured everything now, so it's time to get started. If you want this recipe, it will be linked down in the description box. So yeah, so now into my bowl, I'm going to add all the wet ingredients. I already added my vanilla, so now I'm going to add my oil, milk, the lime juice, the coloring, what else, and the oil. Did I say that? Yeah. Last but not least, egg whites. So to make these beautiful arts that I use as my toppers for the cupcakes, I went in with my marshmallow fondant, which I had in the freezer for some time. To be honest, it's my first time making fondant a while back, and after I made it, I had it in the freezer, and I thought, what better time now to use it than for these Valentine's Day inspired cupcakes, you know? So what I did was added a tip. Would you say a tip? A drop? You know, we in Jamaican talk it already, patwa. So I added a drop of food coloring, not the gel food coloring, the water-based one, which is why a part when I added the toppers to the cupcake, it was melting because I added the usual water-based food coloring. But I had 3 colors, like a bright red, like a pink, and then not in between. So I used my cookie cutters to cut out the art shape. So this is why I got them so precise, so how I wanted it. So guys, I'm gonna do a quick fix just by using some already made frosting on the cakes. I'm not going to make any buttercream, to be honest. Like, I'm not feeling it. I'm so tired from baking yesterday, baking today. I just want something easy. This was supposed to be for another video, but I have to go get back one. Although I'm not going to use everything still for just 4 cupcakes. So I'm going to use my ready-made Betty Crocker frosting in vanilla. I should have got the cream cheese since it's a red velvet cake, but that's fine. That's fine. So yeah, so I just want to wipe it onto my cupcakes when they're finished, and then start to put on my toppers. Guys, please don't bash me in the comments. I was using a Ziploc bag, that's why I didn't get the precise piping that I wanted for my cupcakes, so they're looking a bit slant. But you know, when it comes down to these things, you're not always going to get perfection, you know. I had a piping bag, but I just didn't want to open that as yet, so I just used something that was easier. And as I said, I was a bit tired, so please do with me. And I'm not gonna say I'm not feeling well, but yeah, I'm a little bit under the weather, so stay with me, guys. So with these little hearts, I made them using the same marshmallow fondant, and I'm going to link a video as to how I made these fondant, which I did these little hearts using the fondant, which I didn't get to show you because I don't have the tools to make these small hearts. So I had to do something that was a lengthy process in order for me to get these small hearts. So now I'm gonna add my toppers. So this one is kind of like a you know, in high school or in primary school, you used to draw those hearts and then you run a line through it. It was like a broken heart. So basically that's what I was going for, a broken heart and a 2 firm hearts, if I'm making any sense. So guys, please excuse the sweating because I had the fondants in the freezer overnight, so by the time I had them into the cupcakes, they were looking sweaty, like they looked like they were melting, but over time it just dried on its own. But by the time I recorded this video, it was just like looking all wetty. But please excuse that, guys. So this is the look. You know, had my hearts, you know, the big hearts and the smaller hearts. It is so cute, guys, and I love this cupcake stand. I got it in Bashko, and I don't know if they're still selling them because I think I got them either last year or the year before, if I don't lie. So yeah, this is my Valentine's Day inspired cupcakes. Tell me what you think about them down in the comment section. I don't think I did bad, you know, like I am learning, guys. I am growing in this baking thing. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you made it this far, if you watch all of this video, like, I'm so appreciative. Don't forget, if you have not yet subscribe, please subscribe to my channel if you want more video like this, and don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. So the next clip, I'm going to show you how it looks inside, because you just don't want to see the cupcake by itself. You want to see how inside looks like, if it looks yummy, right? So yeah, bye guys.